Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And here's Bumble. She's always in my lap. Before we get into the video, I just want to mention today's sponsor, Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company out of New York. I've been working with them for a while and I adore their jewelry. I get very excited when I get a little package each month. So thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sending me these things. Let me start off by showing you the jewelry I got this month. I'm wearing the 𝘮𝘗 drop earrings and I think they're gorgeous. I could wear these every day or on special occasions. They're just the perfect size. I'm also wearing the 𝘮𝘗 mother of pearl necklace and look at this little heart. I think it's so cute. I'm not usually a fan of heart jewelry, but this one's so dainty and delicate. I think it's beautiful. I also received the Marie drop earrings. These are so pretty and will be great for going out. I've been getting jewelry from Ana Luisa for almost a year now, and the quality is unmatched for the price. I wear their jewelry constantly. Sometimes I even sleep in their jewelry. The quality is great because nothing's tarnished. Nothing has changed in any way. I've even worn them in the shower and the quality is exactly the same. And that's so important to me in jewelry because I have had some bad experiences with jewelry in the past that I thought was pretty expensive. Their jewelry pieces start at $39 and they have free shipping in the US, which I love. I just feel really special when I'm wearing it. So that's why I keep promoting it. I know it's not typical planner content, but I like to promote things that I think you guys might be interested. And who doesn't love jewelry? I don't know. Maybe you don't, but I do. So it goes without saying that jewelry makes a great gift, and Ana Luisa is having its biggest sale of the year right now. Their sale is still going on. You can get up to 35% off. And if you don't know what to get someone, jewelry makes the perfect gift. I'm still doing my Christmas shopping. I know it's last minute, but I may do a little shopping on Ana Luisa myself, just saying. So go check them out. I will put the link in the description box. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on today's video. Now let's get to it. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through my November spreads in my Big Happy Planner, which is my catch-all, and my classic Happy Planner Creative Journal. Before we begin, I just want to let you know there will be new planner content coming up where I am sharing my planner lineup and my planner setup for 2024. I am usually one of the people who put it up last, and the reason for that is I get really overwhelmed choosing my planners and figuring out how to set them up and making the videos about it. And so if you're someone who gets easily overwhelmed by that, you're not alone. I may even do a video on sort of brainstorming my process and how I start trying to decide, but they will be coming. So you'll have that to look forward to, I think anyway. Okay, so let's go through, first let's do my creative journal. This cover, which is a little dirty right now, but it's from Kellofaplan. It's really cute. And we're just gonna jump right to November. I don't usually decorate my monthly spreads in my creative journal, nor do I usually do a currently page. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So the first week in November was actually Halloween week, so it was still October and November. I love this spread so much. This one was made by using the 𝘬𝘗 sticker book from 𝘮𝘮𝘮, and I covered the middle with this really pretty plaid pink washi tape. I really like this one. I believe this one was a video, if I'm remembering correctly. So I have a gratitude list over here in my sidebar. This is a vertical lined layout, which I find is really nice for journaling, and I may use that more in the future. But this year I've been switching up my layout each week and each month just as a matter of like how I'm feeling that week. So if I feel like using a vertical, I'll use a vertical. If I feel like using a horizontal, I'll use a horizontal, that kind of thing. Now, I am someone who's very fortunate in that I get a lot of free planners from Happy Planner, so I am able to pull pages out of them to make spreads. But if you're someone who has, planners from previous years that you never quite completed that you can redate, maybe, if you've been doing this for a while, you may have different layouts at your disposal as well that you can pull from. Anyway, I did a little journaling each day of what went on and then some general ideas up here. I wrote what I was watching, which was old seasons of The Bachelorette. What I was reading was The Perfect Child by Lucinda Berry. And a happy list over here in addition to my gratitude list. So I think this is adorable. I love how it turned out in the end. Okay, this one, this was a, I don't know, it's one that I just dropped. And I wrote, oops, I dropped off this week. Because sometimes that happens to the best of us. Like, I started writing in it, I abandoned it, and then I forgot to go back, and I just looked at it now for this flip through, and I thought, can I back plan? But it's my journal, and it was the beginning of November, so could I? I guess, but probably not really, because I won't remember, you know, what was going on or how I was feeling that week. So I just decided to write this, and I just wrote this today. Anyway, Nightmare Before Christmas stickers. This really cute Live Love Posh striped washi tape too. I like this one. I wish I had finished it. This one I think is really, really cute. I combined the Wild Jungle and the Calm Life sticker books to make this one. I think this was a Patreon video, I'm pretty sure. So if you're a patron of mine in the $20 and up, you get a video every week, like an exclusive video that I don't put on YouTube. I don't edit those, so they're kind of wacky sometimes. But this one was really, like, I love this one. I didn't love it when it was done, but after I wrote in it, I just think it's so pretty. And those two sticker books, color-wise, just go together so well. So keep that in mind if you have both of those. What was I doing this week? Let's see. Oh, this was the week that my daughter Heather came home from Germany for the week before Thanksgiving, and she stayed here for 4 days. It was so nice to see her. I just journal a little bit about what we did that week. Okay, so this was Thanksgiving week. I think I wrote, this spread looks messy and it's kind of stressing me out. I don't like this one at all. I did this in such a rush because it was like Black Friday week and I was so busy. As a content creator, influencer, we have a lot to do that week in addition to Thanksgiving. So I was feeling rushed, and I think I probably didn't do this before the week. I probably did this like Tuesday or Wednesday or something like that. And I used colors that I'm just not a fan of. So yeah, I don't like this at all. And I was stressed out that week. So this is one of those ones that I'm like, no, thank you. 2 out of 10. But I redeemed myself the week of November 27th, which was last week. And I used the I Love Stickers sticker book from the I Love Stickers folio bundle from the Happy Planner. And I love it because I just love a fun, whimsical sticker. That's just my vibe. I call it Mushroom Avocado Party. Oh yeah, I name them, by the way, if you're new here. This one's called Messy Thanksgiving. This one is Calm Jungle, and this one, A Nightmare Week, and Hey Boo. Yeah. Anyway, I really like this one. I love the colored pens. It just has a cool, funky vibe, and it just reminds me of writing in my notebooks in high school. You know what I mean? So that is that for my creative journal. Let's take a look at my Big Happy Planner. So this is going to be kind of a short video because there's not much to say about these spreads. I just wanted to show them to you because if you don't follow me on Instagram, you may not see the photos. Sometimes I'll post them on YouTube, but not usually because honestly, I just forget. So, I mean, I always say I'll try and then I always forget. Okay, so this is my November currently page, which I'm in love with. This was a video, so you can go back and watch that. I think this is so cute. I love it so much. I used stickers from Woodland Seasons, I guess, from Happy Planner, and some old leaf stickers I got from the washi tape shop, some old washi, and then some of these little vintage stickers. I think it's so cute. This does not match this at all, but just ignore that. And look at this beauty. Yeah. Here's my November monthly. It's pretty cute. I use Squad Girls. And it's like a cooking kind of theme. I think it's cute. This was a video as well. This one, was this a video? I think I did this one on my own, or I did it with my patrons maybe. Maybe it is a video. I can't remember. I don't think so. This was Halloween week, and it is crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. I call it Black Magic. It was named by my patron, Kelly, because sometimes I ask them to name my spreads if I can't think of a name. And so it must have been a Patreon video because sometimes I'll do that at the end of the videos. It's a little chaotic, so if you're someone who gets easily stressed out by writing all over the place, you might not like this. It stressed me out a little bit too, but I added all of the polka dots and swirls and stuff in after I wrote in it for the whole week. It just looked really bare after I was writing in it, and you know I like a filled out spread, so I decided to just throw in extra stuff, and it got kind of chaotic. It really did, but I still like it. It's fun, right? It's a fun spread. This is like, back to back to calmness and like serene. It just feels so better, right? Like after this. This reminded me of sort of my old school spreads, which I really used to love. Everything was sort of lined up nicely and there was more white space. So I feel like I'm getting back to that a little bit. I don't know. I want to anyway, because I just think it's really cute. And I used the pastime sticker book from Happy Planner that came out in the fall release. Such a cute sticker book, you guys. And I love making little vertical line sections, like little abstract designs with those strip stickers. I think that's so fun. Was this a video? It was probably a Patreon video, and I call it Cooking Cuties. What was I doing that week? Let's see, there's my gratitude list. I was still reading The Perfect Child. I started reading Summer of '69. Still watching old seasons of The Bachelorette. We had painters at Mike's house. We're getting Mike's house ready to sell, which it just sold actually, which is great. But it was on the market for literally 2 days, I think, before it sold. 2 or 3 days. Yeah. And it went for more than the asking price. So yeah, it was really good. So we're going through that whole process right now, and he's getting ready to move here. But there's a lot that we have to do. But this week we were focused on getting his house ready to sell. So we were cleaning, we were painting extra stuff, we were repairing things. We had a lot of work to do in November. Like every week in November, we were working on that. But I love this spread. So cute. Okay, so this is the week where we were so busy with Mike's house, and also Heather and Chris came from Germany, and I was just so busy that I really didn't want to sit down and make an extremely detailed spread in my planner. So what I did was some back planning here, because I was taking the week off from work, and since my work deals with planners, that was the other thing. Since my work is planners, it's hard for me to separate it sometimes. And I know that sounds weird, but when you make your hobby your job, you know, it's sometimes like if I'm not working, I don't want to look at my planners, which makes no sense because the reason I'm using a planner is to stay on track, right? But for me, I have to sometimes take a complete break from them when I'm not working. So I did take about 3, maybe 4 days off this week because Heather was home. So I did this, I think I did this like later, but it was the same week. Anyway, I threw down really big stickers. So those big Mambi sticks from Joann, I threw down big quotes and some black boxes, and I love it. I love how it turned out. Some bright color pens. It just, it's lined up very nicely and it turned out cute. I call it Easy Does It because it was an easy spread to make. Yeah, I thought I didn't tell you what this one was called, but I did. This was Thanksgiving week. I used stickers from the Mickey and Minnie seasonal sticker book, I think. And one of the pumpkins fell off. Darn it. Oh well. I think I saw that stuck to another planner and I threw it away thinking it was like an old one. Oh well. Anyway, this one was a video. You might have seen this. I did a different gratitude list each day with a different category. So relationships, essentials, health, career, possessions, myself, and simple pleasures. And sometimes I love to do that. I love to categorize gratitude lists. And it just makes me feel good to know that in all these categories of my life, I have things that I'm so grateful for. So this was a gratitude-focused spread for Thanksgiving. And that's that. Okay, so the reason that's that, it ended on the 26th, but if you saw the video, I think I talked about this maybe in the video, or maybe I might have talked about it somewhere else. But what happened was I had done this page and I messed up the dates. Okay, I messed up the dates in the video. Oh, I talked about it in a comment. So I messed up the dates, which is why I redated. And then I didn't, so I had, this was on the back, and I was really, really busy the next week because the next week was Cyber Week and work was just crazy. And I was like working off daily sheets. So since I had made a mistake with this and put this December currently page on the back, what I could have done is, you know, taken 2 more pages and stuck them in here. But I thought, since my week is busy, I'm not going to use my planner that week. So basically I went from the wrong week to changing the week to skipping a week altogether. So that week is not in my planner. Does that make anyone crazy that a week just disappeared out of my planner? It looks like it didn't because it just goes right into December. But if you look closely at the dates, it's missing. So instead I went right into December, and that's just how it goes. You know what? It's my planners. I can make my own rules in my planners, and that's what I decided to do. I made an executive decision for myself, for my own planner. This and this do not match at all, and that's bothering me greatly. But I don't look at it together usually, so we're good. All right, so that is that. That is my November flip through. There will be a big flip through at the end of the year. It usually comes in January, where I flip through all of my planner from 2023, January through December. But it comes in January because I want to finish December before I did flip through. So it'll be either in the first or second week of January, depending, because in the beginning of January, there's so many videos to put out. There's goal setting, there's word of the year, which I still haven't figured out what that's going to be yet, and all of that kind of stuff. It's a very exciting time for us planners, you know, January, start fresh and all of that. But so I have so many videos to fit in, but that'll be one of them. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if there's any spread you liked more than any other spread in this video. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.